applause for Terence Eden.
My name is Terence Eden. I'm a computer scientist, and I'm paranoid. Are the NSA reading my emails? Can David Cameron see my Snapchats? Can Vladimir Putin look at who I'm swiping on Tinder? Computer science is born out of paranoia. During the Second World War, the Nazis, they're the baddies. The Nazis were terrified that the Allies would intercept their radio transmissions and read their messages. So they turned to Enigma, a machine designed to scramble all their communications. Now, give me a cheer if you've seen The Imitation Game. Yay! It does a wonderful job of showing how Alan Turing and the team at Bletchley Park cracked Enigma. But it doesn't show you how Enigma works. Well, that's my job. So, Enigma was it's a typewriter. You pressed the letter A on the keyboard and an electrical circuit ran through a scrambler and would light up a different letter, in this case, I. Now, because it was a mechanical keyboard, when you took your finger off the letter A, the scrambler would rotate by one place. So as you can see, all the letters now point somewhere different. If you go to A, it now goes to Y, you take your finger off. Now A goes all the way down to R. Fantastic. Used correctly with multiple rotors, Enigma had 150 million possible combinations. It was close to impossible to break. It was so hard, we literally had to invent the first computers in order to do it. But Enigma contains a fatal flaw, and it is a flaw born of paranoia. The engineers were worried. What happens if someone presses the letter Z and it goes through all the scramblers and comes out as the letter Z? If it just comes through as the same letter? They thought that if enough of these unscrambled letters were in a message, it would be really easy to crack the code. But as it turns out, that's not the case. When you intercept a message, you've no way of knowing what's the scrambled and what's the unscrambled letter. But it means that when you see the letter Z, you know it must be one of the other 25 letters. It cannot be Z. If the Germans hadn't made this paranoid mistake, the machine that Alan Turing built would have needed to have been faster. A lot faster. Roughly 12 million times faster. And the world in computer science would look very different today. And that's why computer scientists are paranoid, but never too paranoid. Thank you.